Kelly's windy day. Thomas and Kelly had just arrived at the new library site. Jeff Thomas, frowned Kelly. The wind was blowing so hard that the pack could hardly get their work done. Kelly's crane arm didn't like the wind. Cried Jack, but it was too late. Jeff Thomas, said Jack. Soon Kelly was back on Thomas's low loader. Said Kelly. Said Miss Jenny. Said Thomas. Said Kelly, but he was worried. What if he fell over again and hurt someone? That night, the wind blew, and the rains pounded down. The repairman worked all night fixing Kelly's wheels. The next morning, the sheds were empty. Everyone had gone to work, except Kelly. The rain had stopped, but the wind was still blowing, and he was worried. Then Miss Jenny came to the sheds with urgent news. She said, Kelly was still afraid he might fall over and hurt someone. He asked. Said Miss Jenny. Isabella was scared. She didn't like teetering on the edge of the road like a seesaw. Soon Kelly and Miss Jenny arrived. Asked Miss Jenny. Answered Isabella. Kelly had to remove the piano first. The wind blew, and the piano swayed. Soon Kelly lowered the piano safely to the ground. Now he had the hardest job of all, to rescue Isabella. Slowly, he started to pull Isabella back onto the road. The wind blew harder. Isabella began to teeter. Kelly was worried. He stopped. Cried Isabella. Said Kelly. Call Miss Jenny. Kelly knew he couldn't let the wind stop him. He started his winch again. He pulled harder. And harder. The cheeky truck cried. Isabella was finally back on the road. Said Miss Jenny. Said Isabella. At last, Kelly had his confidence back. Isabella was on her way again. And Thomas could see that Kelly was happy.